guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another unboxing, and I ordered this because I've discovered that I like to do painting, and I've seen that this might be very helpful for me every time I do painting activities. And so I ordered this from Amazon, and join me as I unbox this special item. So now let us open. Join me as I see the contents inside this parcel. Are you excited? I'm excited. So I hope this will inspire me more to do painting activities. So every time that it's my day off, I decided that I will really find a time or set a time to do painting activities, and I wanted to learn how to paint and to develop that skill. And so because every time I paint, it's a bit difficult. I would just put the mineral water. For like this one, I would put 2 mineral water and put my acrylic pad, then I would paint. So I think it's necessary for me to have an easel, so I ordered this from Amazon. So I'm excited. Tabletop easel, and this is portable. Portable things is very essential for me now because I'm always moving or shifting from one place to another. So this, I have it now, and I've been thinking also to look for like a bag or like a organizer, storage or something like stuff to organize all my paintbrush. So for now, I'm just putting my paintbrush here. So, and so see, these are my paintbrushes. I counted all my paintbrushes. Now I have 48 paintbrushes. So it's like, because each paintbrush, they have different styles. So let me show you. There, see, these are round, and I have the small flat, and I have like this. There, you can see. Yeah, so I have different sets of paintbrushes from different factories. Look at that, see? And so I do really need a proper storage for each of them, and I wanted to take care of all my paintbrushes. That's why I ordered this. So join me as I open this. Oh, it's nice. So it's made of wood, and okay, I think it should be this way. And it has, oh, cute, like, so it's like a bag, so I can just bring it anywhere I want. So like, for example, I would go to the park and do some painting activities there. I can just bring this. It's nice. So see, it has a lock here. Yes. And okay. Oh, cool. So you can see from the side, so I can adjust the angle, and I can put my, oh, cute, it's like there, this is adjustable. So I can put my pad here, and I can adjust if I wanted 90-degree angle or 45-degree angle, like this. Cool. And the best thing is just I can just put this in the table, and if I'm not using it, I could just fold it like this. Oh, I think it should be this way. Yes, I can just fold it. Cool. Okay, now let's open. Oh, it has this brand, Montmartre. Montmartre. Oh, nice. And it has another lock here. What is this? Okay, I just opened it. And I think there's another one on the side as well. Cool. Ah, it has a secret drawer. Ta-da! Yay! So this is where I'm gonna put all the paintbrush. Yes! So now I have a paintbrush organizer. I can put my paintbrush here. All of it. So I should just make sure that all my paintbrush are dry. Yay! So there, and I can put the small paintbrush here. There. Cool. Nice one. I like it. I love it. I love it. I'm so kilig. Cool. So the long one I can keep here. The shorter ones will be there. Okay. Nice. All right. There you go. Oh, I'm so excited. So now we're gonna close. Oh, I have a sponge as well. So I can keep the sponge on the other side. So now it's organized. Done! And I can just lock it. Pum, pum, pum. I can just lock it here. And all done. I could just bring it anywhere I go. Nice. And oh, look at that. See? It has like a soft rubber. So when I put this on the table, it wouldn't move. Cool. Nice product. And this one also, I should just put the latch. Nice. I'm so happy. So thank you. Where's the brand? Montmartre. Thank you, Montmartre. So this is tabletop easel with a drawer. Very nice. I love it. So next time when I do the painting, I am gonna be using this. Thank you so much, Montmartre. And also the good thing is that it's made from a sustainable plantation wood. So this is made of wood. Thank you so much. So I have now my organizer, paintbrush organizer, and an easel as well. And the best thing is that it's portable. I can carry it everywhere I go. Alright, I hope you like and enjoy as I share to you my new hobby. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. I'm excited to paint tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless. Mwah.